the Sigma 8 to 16 millimeter. Let's roll. So this video is going to be very quick. That's because right now I'm in Uluru, Ezrock. It's 37 degrees Celsius. It's extremely hot. So I'm going to get through this quickly. The reason why I'm here is because they've got CV specials, some discounts going on because of the current crisis. So for us, it was very easy and cheap for us to get here. But here we are. So the lens is not a fisheye lens. It's a rectilinear wide-angle lens. It's the widest you can get before going into a fisheye lens. At times, at 8 millimeters, it's a bit too GoPro due to distortion. It's a bit too GoPro, but at 16 millimeters, it produces a very usable image. Not fast, and you're looking at it right now. So if you need to be very close to a subject, this lens is absolutely essential. So around this area, it's completely flat. All of a sudden, Uluru comes jutting out of nowhere, boom, straight up. So you can get really close to Uluru. So a lens like this is perfect.
So the question is the lens too wide? Is it ridiculous? I don't think so, because these days with mirrorless cameras, they always crop in, whether it's 4K or slow-mo. So if you do have the ability to shoot wide and it crops in, then you're in a better position. I must warn you though, however, because the lens is so wide, if you're shooting with the sun towards your back, you will get your shadow in the shot, which can be quite distracting.
Front element acts like a magnet for dust. It just sucks up dust like you wouldn't believe. Acts like a magnet for dust, for sand, as well as flies, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it. It's 37 degrees. I want to go back into the hotel. It's too hot for me right now, but this is what I did for you. So, you can leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and that's it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Kena ini lagi